Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we've got this Yardmachines push mower. Push mower because it's not self-propelled. Yep, it cuts grass. That's what it does. That's all it does. It's not fancy. It's a basic mower. Basic of the basics. It is very basic. Quick pause for the intro. 11 seconds. We'll be right back. Well, let's have a quick look at her. Anyways, that's the 3.5 horse Briggs and Stratton on there. 3.5, somewhere around there. It's a 3000 series, 148 cc's. She's got the original sparking plug in it. Still got the black paint on it from when they painted the cylinder head. We're gonna change that. It's got the original blade on it. It's a little dull. It's gonna get a sharpen and balance. I've got my oil sucker hooked up here because this is the style you're supposed to tip over on its side to change oil. Just dump it out of there. It makes a heck of a mess everywhere. I don't do that. I just use my little vacuum evacuator thing here and I pump it up and it just sucks oil out. So let's do that. Let's pump this up. Did have it running outside just to warm the oil up so it flows a little better. They don't hold much, just over half a quart or so. Not much. Got the front end tipped up just a little bit to help steer our oil to the back. I'm sure it's going to suck air before I get back to that. Let's pull this out of there. This is a flathead. It's got no overhead valves. That's not the right one. 13/16er. Well, this is a resale mower that somebody actually just gave to me. They bought a new one and they were just done with this one. Oh, she's sucking air. Yeah, it was a tad low. It is hot, because I just had it running. Plug actually doesn't look too bad. We're gonna fire a new one in there anyways. Gapped. This brand of spark plug that I use, I usually check the gaps, but they're usually right on anyways. So it is what it is. This is a quickie. This might be like a 4-minute video. New spark plug. We're gonna leave that off because I will be working on the blade. It does have half-tank gas in it. It runs great. We're gonna look into that air filter because it might be a little dirty. Let's see, I think the oil is all sucked out. Yep. Light bulb check. Oh, she's bone dry. Nothing left in that engine. That's good. That can go out of the way. We're gonna leave the oil out of it because I gotta tip it. Let's put the plug on there so we don't lose any residuals. So that's the oil fill hole, dipstick, and cap. Look at that, I got oil on it already. Very basic mower. There isn't even any wheel adjustments. You have to unbolt the wheel and there's a set of 3 different holes you could put the wheels back in on those 3 different holes to get the height you want. Very basic mower. 20-inch cut. It's got a notched mulching blade on her. So we're tipping it up so the carburetor is on the high side. Always lift it up so the carb's up. What's that? 5/8. 5/8, I think so. Looks like it. 5/8, who guessed it? Blade adapter came right off, which is nice because they usually seize on there. Probably the original blade. It's a Briggs engine, so it's got a model date and code on it, and model type and code, sorry, and the code. First 2 digits of the code number give you its date, and this is a 13, so this is a 2013 mower. I'll do a sharpen and balance on this off camera. Yeah, it's just a little dull. Anything? Yeah, no drain plug under here. Didn't come equipped. with the drain plug. You're supposed to tip these things over. Just get a little bit of string off of there. Yeah. Neat little machine. Deck's not rotted out. Yeah. I'll give it a little scrape. Get the old grass out from underneath it. Sharpen and balance that blade. And you know what, maybe I will do that on camera. I'll do the one side, and then when I'm finalizing it, I'll come back and I'll show you that. Well, I got pretty lucky with that. The way you do it is you sharpen each side, both sides, until they're sharp. I use about a 60-degree angle myself. And then throw it on the balancer. Whatever side is heavier, you would grind more off of that. Just sharpen it a little more. Keep the same angle and just keep gradually sneaking up on your balance. Well, I did both sides so they looked good, dropped it on the balancer, and it's dead on. So lucky. That's all I use for a balancer. I don't have a link for you, but they're I'm sure they're on Amazon. I got this from one of my suppliers, but they're everywhere. That's that. Okay, back on the machine. Where are we at? There we go. So we'll get our plate adapter situated. Make sure everything is lined up. Little kind of a flat washer-ish looking thing. Brace with a couple of studs in it. Locates everything. And there is a keyway basically in there. If I can get the blade under there. Where's the key? The key's over there. Well, that'll all just slide up together. Located on the crankshaft. There we go. If I can, I like to run these bolts down by hand first. Make sure everything stays aligned before you hit her with the impact gun. Make sure all the little bumps are where they need to go in the holes. Nice and steady. There we go. Torque is not crazy on those. Just good and snug. So now I'm gonna, well, I should have done it before, but I'm gonna check the blade for bendage. So I'm just gonna keep my finger at the bottom here, so where the tip of the blade just touches it, and swing it around to the other side, and it just touches. Perfect. That is why I left the spark plug wire off, because you start messing around with these blades, there's a chance it can fire up, so I don't want that. So, deck is scraped, it wasn't terrible. New spark plugs installed. Got some seafoam in the tank. It already ran good, but it doesn't hurt to put some more in, or some good stuff in. Let's get her spun around here. We'll just put some oil on it. We should be done. Should be all of it. Straight 30 is my flavor of choice in these. Look at that, I got a ½ liter in a bottle. I think it takes just under a ½ liter actually. I'll put just under ½ liter in it. Check it. That's that. And we'll put a little more in. Not much more. This bottle probably has exactly the right amount I need. Right at the full. Perfect. Perfect. If I fire that thing up now, it's going to shoot grass all over the place because I scraped the deck and didn't move it. Okay. Back you out, give you a shot of that. Sometimes that's as easy as it is to do a quick flipper. The machine was running when I got here. They really had no problems with it. They just wanted it gone. So they got a new one. And I got their old one. Contact. Runs beautiful. Thanks for joining me in this quick video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you do subscribe, give that bell a dingle. It'll let you know when I upload new stuff. Till the next one, take care.